The black-winged stilt can be observed wading in shallow water on mudflats, where it seeks invertebrates and fish. It is an attractive shorebird. The males have striking black and white plumage. The bird has a long, thin, straight black bill. Its legs are long, thin, and pinkish-red. Its body is small to medium-sized. It is larger than a robin, but smaller than a crow. Its wings, nape, and the top of its head are black in color, and its underfeathers are white. It has a distinctive white dot above each of its eyes. Females have similar plumage, but their feathers are dark brown instead of black.